Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear learners, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I am fine. Dear students, you know the world problem, coronavirus, school, college, madrasa, and other institute are closed. This situation, we try to develop our students. Online class, online Facebook class, online school, online madrasa class, online college class, and online YouTube class and others media. Dear learners, I am Abul Kasem, assistant teacher, Chokbhaine Siddiqui Alim Madrasa, Joypurhat Sodor Joypurhat. I hope you read attentively. Dear learners, welcome to our Chokbhaine Siddiqui Alim Madrasa online class. Dear learners, look at this picture and talk about it. Dear learners, what do you see the picture? Discuss your share partner, dear learners. And yes, dear learners, Katha. This picture is Katha, dear learners. And this picture embroidered quilt. This picture is embroidered quilt. In this picture are embroidered quilt, and it is called Katha. This is embroidered quilt or Katha is, dear learners, and yes, Nokshi Katha, Today's headlines: Nokshi Katha, Nakshi, Nokshi Katha, Kantha, Nokshi Katha, Kantha, Nokshi Katha. Nokshi Katha. Dear students, after we have studied in this lesson, and we will be able to, number one, read and understand. UNDE or understand, STAND. Read and understand text. You didn't understand text. Number two, after meaning, MEANING, after meaning, important keywords. Important, PORTANT, important keywords. WORDS, words. Number three, ask and answering questions. ASK, ask and answering questions. ANSWER and answering question. QUESTIO and question. Number four, complete the sentence. COMPLETE, complete the sentence. ACNTENC, complete the sentence with clues. CLUSE, with clues. Dear students, we will be able to these lessons Number 1, read and understand text. Number 2, after meaning important keywords. Number 3, ask and answering questions. Number 4, complete the sentence with clues. Students, do you understand it? And dear students, open your book, unit 1, listen to page number only 3. Page number only 3. The students, read attentively. Nokshikata is a kind of embroidered quilt. Nokshikata ekta karukas khuchito kata. The name was taken from the Bengali words naksha, which means artistic pattern. এটা বাংলা ওয়ার্ড থেকে এসেছে যার শৈল্পিক রূপ বাংলা ওয়ার্ড থেকে এসেছে. It is a kind of traditional craft and is said to be indigenous to Bangladesh and West Bengal in India. এই ঐতিহ্যবাহী খাতা, ঐতিহ্যবাহী হস্তশিল্প বাংলাদেশ এবং পশ্চিমবঙ্গে স্বদেশীয় হস্তশিল্প নামে পরিচিত. The art has been practiced in rural Bengal for centuries. এটা শত বছর থেকে চর্চা হয়ে আসতেছে. The name Nokshikatha became popular after the poet Josimuddin poem Nokshikata's Mart was published in 1929. 1929 সালে যখন জসিমউদ্দিনের নকশিকাতার মাঠ প্রকাশিত হয় তখন থেকে এই নকশিকাথা বহুলভাবে প্রচারিত হয়. Traditional kathas are made for family use. এই ঐতিহ্যবাহী কাঁথা পরিবারেরা ব্যবহার করে. Old or new cloths and thread are used to make these quilts. নতুন এবং পুরাতন কাপড়ের সমন্বয়ে এই কাঁথা তৈরি করা হয়. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Faridpur, Bogra and Jessore are most famous for these crafts. Mymensingh, Jamalpur, Rajshahi, Bogra এই কাঁথাটা খুব বিখ্যাত. Now it is produced commercially. এখন বর্তমানের জন্য এটা বাণিজ্যিকভাবে প্রসারিত হচ্ছে. You can find them in many expensive handcrafts shops in cities. বর্তমানে এদেশের বড় বড় শহরগুলিতে এই কাঁথা পাওয়া যায়. বড় বড় শহরের দোকানগুলিতে এই কাঁথাটা পাওয়া যায়. The quilts are now in great demand because of the colorful patterns and design embroidered on them. নকশা শিল্পের নৈপুণ্যের জন্য বর্তমানে এই কাঁথার ব্যাপক চাহিদা রয়েছে. নকশা শিল্পের নৈপুণ্যের জন্য বর্তমানে এই কাঁথার ব্যাপক চাহিদা রয়েছে. Dear learners, and this lesson are important keywords. Dear learners, Jyoti, this lesson is important keywords. Jyoti, this lesson is important keywords. And yes, thank you Jyoti. Commercially, COMMERCIALLY. Commercially, that means বাণিজ্যিক ভাবে. And now next, important keywords. Rahman. And yet, traditional. 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 Traditional, that means ঐতিহ্যগত ভাবে. ঐতিহ্যবাহী. Traditional, that means ঐতিহ্যবাহী. Thank you Rahman. And now next, important keywords. Sabrina. And yes, Sabrina, thank you. Demand. DEMOND. Demand. Demand, that means চাহিদা. চাহিদা. And now next, important keywords. Anyone? Yes, pattern. 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 Pattern, that means Adarsha Riti. Adarsha Riti. Dear learners, do you understand it? Important keywords. And dear learners, ask and answering questions. What is Nakshikatha? What is Nakshikatha? Nakshi Nakshikatha. Dear learners, discuss your share partner. And this, what is Nakshikatha? Thank you, dear learners. Okay, Nakshikatha, Nakshi Nakshikatha. Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidery called embroidered quilt, QUILT quilt. Dear learners, and what is Nakshikatha? Answer: Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Nakshikatha is a kind of embroidered quilt. Dear learners, do you understand it? And ask and answer question. Another questions, dear learners. Okay, thank you, dear learners. And dear learners, complete the sentence with clues given. COMPLETE. Complete the sentence. ACNTENC. Complete the sentence with clues. CLUSE. Clues given. 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 BENGALI. Bengali. Pattern. 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 Bengali pattern. EMBROIDRED. Embroidered. Years. 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 Fashion. 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 Art. 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 RULAL. Ruler. Design. 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 Quilt. 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 Naksha. NAKSHI. Naksha. And dear students, number 1, NAKSHI. Nakshikatha. Naksha means MEANS. Naksha means ARTISTIC. Artistic. Dear students, Mumtaz. Naksha means artistic. Mumtaz. And yes, artistic pattern. 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 Thank you, Mumtaz. Sit down. And now next, The name was taken, T-A-K-E-N, the name was taken from a gap word. Gap. And next gap, the name was taken from a gap word dash. And this Amran. Next questions. First gap and second gap. Amran. And yes, first gap Bengali. First gap Bengali, B-E-N-G-A-L-I, Bengali. And second gap, Amran, thank you. Sit down. And second gap, Raihan. Second gap. And yes, thank you, Raihan. Nakshi, N-A-K-S-H-I, Nakshi. Okay, dear learners, do you understand it? Complete the sentence with clues given. Do you understand it, dear learners? And thank you. Dear learners, homework. Write a summary about Nakshikatha. R-I-W-R, write a summary, S-U-M-M-A-O-R-A-R-Y, summary about Nakshikatha. A-B-O-U-T, about Nakshikatha. N-A-K-S-H-I, Nakshikatha. K-A-N-T-H-A, Katha. Do you understand it, dear learners? About homework, write a summary about Nakshikatha. Write a summary about Nakshikatha, dear learners. And that's, dear learners, thank you. Dear learners, this lesson is finished. I hope all students are fine and stay at home, dear learners, and read attentively. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah.